The blue of the sea, the green of the mountains, the colors of early summer. Join us for a leisurely trip on local trains from Gunma Prefecture, located northwest of Tokyo, through to the Sea of Japan in Niigata Prefecture. We stop off to admire colorful sculpture created around 170 years ago.
当時は今のようにテレビであったりとか絵を一般の人たちが見るっていう機会なかなかなかったと思いますので、ありがたいことだったかと思いますね。
Social media is abuzz with photos of one lookout point that plays with colors and light. And we also find some traditional confections redrawn in pastel. Train cruise through Gunma and Niigata to find your favorite colors in unexpected places. We start at Yokokawa Station. Looking down from the platform, you'll notice the tracks have been severed. In days of yore, they climbed up to the mountain pass. A special type of train once struggled up the steep incline. It used the apt system of rack rails and cogs for wheels. The trains were too slow to cope with the increased freight and passengers, so the line was discontinued. The arched brick bridges and tunnels are evidence of the harsh conditions around Yokokawa Station. Out of Yokokawa, we head toward Takasaki, Gunma Prefecture's largest city. The train has 4 cars, and we seem to have the first all to ourselves. See that unusually formed mountain in the distance? That's Mount Myogi, one of Gunma Prefecture's major peaks. Our first stop is Gunma Yawata Station. Darumaji is a Buddhist temple founded in 1697. The main hall is crowded with Daruma modeled on the founder of Zen Buddhism, Bodhidharma, known as Daruma Daishi in Japan. He secluded himself in a cave, meditating for 9 years. The dolls are good luck charms for success and household safety. One devotee carved this likeness of the monk in a meditative pose. It inspired the temple's construction and later spurred the creation of the Daruma charms.
ダルマ大師のふるさとのインドの衣、こういう方衣が赤い色だったんですね。で、頭からすっぽりその衣をかぶって座禅をされ、手も足も皆その衣の中に隠して座禅されたので、顔だけ出ているダルマさん、そして周り中皆真っ赤っかのダルマさんというのがイメージされるようになったわけです。
Senshinte stands on the temple grounds. This simple house of around 43 square meters was the temporary abode of a German architect. Bruno Taut left Hitler-controlled Germany in 1933 and took up a position teaching craft design at the Gunma Industrial Research Institute. He spent just over 2 years living in this house, and some of his works still survive. This green chair is one of them. He designed it and made prototypes with an eye to mass production.
高崎にやってきて、まず最初に描いた図面がこの椅子の図面なんですね。結構華奢なこの形で背もたれに体重をかけてどのくらい強度があるかというのを試しながら作ったようなんですね。それで折れた跡が残っておりまして、タウトは非常にこの自然の色というのを大切にしておりまして、毎日何時間かこの周辺を散策されたようです。